If you want to change wallpaper on Xiaomi Watch 5, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the watch face. And there we go. Now we should be able to start editing the watch face, and you can just choose whichever you would like to actually use on your watch. Once you find whatever you want to use, you can just simply tap on that watch face, and there we go. It is immediately updated. In case you press and hold your finger, if you press and hold on the watch face and nothing happens, then you can press the crown to open the list of apps, and we're gonna scroll down to go to settings. Then over here in settings, go to display, and you should be able to find change watch face. And here we can find exactly the same thing. Besides that, keep in mind that many of these watch faces have the edit option here at the bottom, which means that you can customize it even further by making some small changes to, for example, colors. So there we go. As you can see, we have a couple of different colors to choose from in this specific case. And there we go. So once you choose your style, you should be able to just, for example, use the crown, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.